Avian respiration is not only unique, it is the most efficient form of respiration in vertebrates. This is because there is no dead air which does not undergo gas exchange as there would be, say, in mammals. In mammals, the air that is in the larynx and the trachea and the bronchi does not undergo gas exchange, only that in the air sacs of the lungs, and so thus oxygen is wasted. In birds, all of the inhaled air passes through the lungs for gas exchange, but it requires two separate bouts of respiration to accomplish this. In other words, two inhales and two exhales. In the first inhale, air passes through the trachea, through the bronchi, and from the primary and secondary bronchi enter the caudal thoracic air sacs and the abdominal air sacs. Upon exhale number one, the inspired air leaves these air sacs and enters the lungs where gas exchange occurs. Only in the lungs does gas exchange occur. On the second inhale, air moves from the lungs into the anterior thoracic, cervical, and interclavicular air sacs. And then upon the second exhale, air is forced from these anterior air sacs through the trachea where it passes from the body. This highly efficient form of respiration takes advantage of all of the inspired air for gas exchange, and this provides the oxygen required for flight. And birds can fly at altitudes where a similar sized mammal would be deprived of oxygen and could actually enter a coma. And so this form of respiration is highly efficient. In addition, the heat generated from muscle contraction during flight might cause a mammal to fatally overheat, but this form of respiration is also extremely efficient at removing heat from a bird's body. Not only can one observe pneumatization of bones in birds where there are openings for extensions of these air sacs, but this is also evident in theropod dinosaurs, and the pneumatization becomes more extensive as one ascends through the family tree of theropod dinosaurs, suggesting that many of the adaptations which birds would use for flight evolved earlier in their dinosaur lineage, perhaps as a way of supporting a higher metabolism, more active running, or of controlling body temperature.